UMnyango wezeMfundo eGauteng usuqinisekisile ukuthi sebekhishiwe abafundi abayikhulu neshumi nambili basesikoleni samabanga aphansi i-Tamaho eKatlehong abalaliswe esibhedlela ngenxa yezinsolo zokuthi badle ukudla okunobuthi ngokwembiko. Abafundi baqala ukuba namajaqamba esweni kanye nokuhlanza ngemva kokudla isitambu ngesikhathi sekhefu esikoleni. NgoLwesithathu, okhulumela uMnyango Steve Mabona uthi abanye babafundi bakhishwe izolo kanti abanye baye emakhaya namhlanje. Khona manjalo kwesinye isigameko sabafundi abangu-29 base-Iyobe Primary School eBloemfontein bangeniswe esibhedlela ngemva kokudla ushokoledi ophelelwe isikhathi.
The Gauteng Education MEC Matumechilwane has been alerted to a concerning incident which took place today, Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, involving a suspected foodborne illness affecting over 110 learners at Tamaho Primary School in EKatlehong. It is reported that the said learners experienced symptoms of stomach cramps, some were vomiting, and we are informed that they actually consumed some at the school. Emergency services was then summoned and they came, transported learners to medical facilities. Out of the 110 learners, about 98 were subsequently discharged after receiving medical treatment. We can confirm that about 12 learners still remain in hospital, and the health practitioners did indicate that they are under observation. We will be monitoring actively this process as the department, working very closely with the Department of Health. We remain committed in ensuring that our children are safe and healthy in our environment. MEC has expressed grave concern over the recurrence of such incidences which are happening in our schools. It did indicate that it is actually alarming to witness these cases as they happen in our schools. The safety of our learners is paramount, and it will be prioritized at all times. We wish the learners that are in the medical facility a speedy recovery.